Hello everyone, welcome to Actec factory. Today is a sunshine day, but it is very cold today. Here I will show you how to load the 6-side fiber laser cutting machine in one cutting. Yeah, here is our factory. Here is a machine just for tube cutting, and this big machine, it has working wire, yeah, like this. Yes, width is 20 minutes and the length is 6 minutes. Yeah, no, our worker is packaging the six side single table CNC laser cutting. Now it's finished the packaging. Here we use the metal frame on the pallet. And when we finish, then we put plastic film on like this. So this 6 machine can load in one 40-inch cube container. Here is our machine in stock.